We're running out of time to stop climate change. It might feel like it's too big for individual action to solve, and it's too late, but we can make a massive difference by tackling the problem in our own backyards together, saving money, our ecosystems, and the planet, right now and for future generations. Did you know it only takes 9 citrus trees to reduce emissions by a ton? You can easily grow 1 kg of leafy greens in pots, which reduces your emissions by 3 kgs. Urban veggie gardens can reduce emissions by nearly 8% or 2.5 gigatons globally. What we plant now, we'll harvest later. So let's get growing and start garden shopping. So come on Aotearoa, let's grow together. Find out more and register for Growathon at growathon.co.nz.